Liveology, Write the Vision Yoga Challenge is
Child's pose.
or Balasana. So this is a good pose. We all know this is like a restorative pose, right?
Right, after, what is it, back bends?
After headstand.
After headstands,
Yeah,
right.
even like in Ashtanga at least. And so they say it helps you to relax, restore. And we picked this one because you're placing your third eye point to the floor. Reach the chest forward toward the floor. Reaching the third eye point in the forehead down to the floor. You can take the hands forward. I actually prefer this posture here. You can also take the hands facing backward. And that's also
I didn't know you could do it like that.
yeah. That feels kind of good too. Yeah. Just breathing here.
Are you supposed to be leaning all the way back on the calves?
Yeah, so I'm usually trying to reach the hips down toward the feet. So my head is here, I'm just reaching, just gently relaxing the hips down toward the feet. And so if you have some hip tightness, sometimes it may take a few breaths to kind of breathe into the hips. You can even move side to side a little bit here to kind of open those hips up. If they feel tight, and maybe separate the knees a little bit so that you can have some more space in the hips. That can feel kind of good, like taking the knees apart a little bit. And then letting the chest kind of rest in between the thighs. That can also be a nice way to do the pose. And that's it.
It's great.
Yeah.
It does feel great.
So, day 2, child's pose. Post your hips.